possibly the worst pancake I've ever seen. No!
And 10 years down the road, I'll still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, writing about you. Lines about midnight car rides and the color of your eyes, thinking about you, yeah.
Good morning, guys. What's going on? It is officially Friday. It is honestly my favorite day of the week. There is a red balloon there too. You'll learn about that in a few weeks. But we thought it'd be kind of fun. We haven't done this in a while on this channel. It's actually been a little bit of time, I think right around Thanksgiving, since we've done the Pancake Art Challenge. There's some new TV shows, some old ones as well. We thought we'd go ahead and do some of that stuff. So I'm gonna make some batter right now. We're gonna do the Pancake Art Challenge! Okay, making up the pancake batter. So Rebecca has this red balloon, and I'm challenging her to pop it.
Yeah, without using anything but my body. You'll float too.
Stop!
Not saying I watched the movie because I'm a chicken, but I don't know, this is...
You're a chicken girl mom is what you are.
I know. Okay. Oh gosh, I hate the sound of pop.
See if you can I was getting ready to say, it's like, see if you can subscribe before she pops it.
Oh yeah.
No one did.
No one did. It was too fast. Startled my behind.
All right, so today we're gonna be doing another version of the Pancake Art Challenge. So we picked some of our favorite TV shows that we thought would be kind of fun to make a little pancake art out of.
We are going to be competing, and you guys are going to vote each round whose is better. And then we will pick an ultimate winner because we're gonna show you guys all of mine and all of his. And you'll have to stick around until at the end because it's gonna be like a big montage of pancake art. Or a mural of pancake art,
Yeah.
Is that it? Anyway.
Okay, so the first one that we're gonna make is Spongebob. Rebecca's gonna make Spongebob, I'm gonna make Patrick.
All right.
You know when we get quiet, it's like, it's serious. Whoa, that looks legit.
I need a little bit of green. What are the green things on SpongeBob? Like, there's circles?
He's a sponge.
So they're just bubbles?
Exactly. Patrick, done. Feel pretty good about it.
I'm ready to win.
If you guys haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Subscribe button, let us know in the comment section down here below if you hit it in that time. Also, while you're there, why don't you hit the notifications?
Yours is so small. Now I could go in detail on his legs, but I think I'm just gonna do like that. So close.
1, 2, 3, flip! Whoa!
Oh, never actually flipped it correctly.
Let us know in the comment section down here below if you've watched any of our pancake art challenges before.
Here is round 1. Comment who you think won.
If you really like me, please say my name.
Come on, that's like mini. The next one we are going to do is one of our favorite TV shows, Stranger Things. Are you gonna start with black?
I'm gonna have to do a different color than red.
Why? You have to do red. It's Stranger Things.
I'm gonna do a green Stranger Things today.
What?
What? That big?
This is actually a really hard one.
If anybody that knows me, I mean my penmanship is terrible.
Your pancake art penmanship?
No, just in real life.
More black, but an epic fail because I couldn't use the actual colors.
And we wrote it backwards.
No, mine's up. Mine's right. Stranger Things.
This is possibly the worst pancake I've ever seen.
It's okay if you guys want to say we both failed for this round, but we have black for our next one.
Oh
so
man, I put Stranger Slime.
it's really bad.
So sad. We still want to know who you thought won, so let us know.
And for our final one, we are going to be doing another one of our favorite shows. I don't know if you guys watch it, but it's called Riverdale. Have you guys heard of it? We've got some black, got some blue, and those are the only 2 colors you need for Riverdale. Who's your favorite character?
I think Archie's pretty cool.
I like the other guy. What's his real name?
Jughead.
Yeah, but what's his real name? I forget. You guys comment what his real name is. I know you guys know.
I'm gonna do a green Riverdale sign.
What? Wait, I have to start over.
What?
Wait, maybe I can do it up here. So this is hard because you have to do it backward. Oh my gosh, what is that chunk? I don't think you mixed this all the way. Matt, you're setting me up for failure.
I think you set yourself up a few times for failure there. I apparently am not really good at making pancake batter.
I should have just made it.
Have you ever had a black pancake before?
It's just food coloring. I don't know if I have. Have you?
No, I'm gonna do it today though.
You want to eat this?
I'm gonna eat that. Why is it so puffy?
Don't judge me, Matt. What does yours say?
River D. I ran out of space. I definitely ran out of space.
Maybe you shouldn't have made fun of me. Yours is just a hot mess.
An amazing.
Doing TV shows was a bad idea.
You're like, man, I want to do something that nobody's done before. But there's a reason why nobody has done it before. Oh man, back. Oh, yes!
It kind of worked.
It got burnt, but it's good.
Oh, the only bummer is at the blue.
Yeah, I got like a little
Overcooked.
3, 2, 1. No! I'm failing so hard today. Nothing has gone right. The funny thing is my green looks the same color as your blue. This is embarrassing. Dang.
It's not good, but it's Matt. Okay, Matt's isn't good at all.
I really did not do a good job.
I think you guys will have to vote who won this round, and then we're gonna present all of ours all together, and you guys can get a look at all of them. And yeah, then vote for the final winner.
I'm so embarrassed with myself today. Okay, so we're gonna adventure over to Rebecca Land here. It starts off with an amazing Spongebob. Stranger Things got a little strange.
Okay, yeah, and I also ran out of black, so we had to make more. That's Riverdale.
And now we're gonna look at mine. Patrick, first off, he's upside down. I'm sorry. But it doesn't look anything like Patrick. It just looks like a starfish with like bikini on. And then my Stranger Things thing didn't really turn out anywhere. We did this backwards. And then my Riverdale, epic fail. Who do you think won, Beck?
I mean, obviously I won. There's like, that's a no-brainer. Okay, you guys, so you guys know I put out a slime workout video 5 days ago, and our fire are our friends, and they were in the video, and they did a video on their YouTube channel reacting to the slime video for the first time when they saw it. And so now we're gonna react to them reacting to the slime video.
It's just a complete circle that keeps on going.
This is weird watching someone react to your video. I know I've seen people do it, I've just never done it myself.
Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Charlotte.
And together we are
Our fire.
Today we are reacting to Rebecca Zamolo's new music video called Slime Workout.
And if
Yeah.
you guys haven't seen it yet, click right there to go and watch it. Go watch that first before you come here.
We're reacting to this because we are also in it.
Yes, they were in it. They're so good in it.
Okay, so
Okay.
3,
The dogs. Hey.
1.
Go. Wow, that's me.
That is her. Look at them. They're
Yes.
so I hope they like
Oh
it.
my god. I really want to buy one of those chairs.
Oh my gosh. So funny story, on the shoot there were like these 2 spinny chairs, and Charlotte was in one, and she was just living, like she just started spinning. We're all like doing choreography, but she was just like in the
I think
chair.
she forgot that we were shooting a video. She's like just had the slime and just going around. I was
she
like,
just-
Char, we said cut! We said cut!
And Chris, by the way, is a really good dancer.
Amazing.
Which, we could probably show a clip. Boop.
Oh my gosh.
Shoot. Oh my god.
They went on those for their first
Okay,
day.
let's get on with the video.
See, she looks
That's
sleepy.
so funny. And the dog's like over it. They're so cute.
Wow. Hey, it's Christmas.
And there's one thing I know. Stretching slime to the
Woo!
feeling so good.
Oh my gosh, so catchy.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
Oh my god.
Even the dog.
Yeah, this is very catchy.
Madeline's
Oh,
part.
that's the singers.
Yeah.
Okay, the singer is Madeline Bailey.
Yeah, so I shot with Madeline on a different day because she had rehearsals on the day that we shot. So they actually never met Madeline, and they were like, wow, this is a really good part. I'm like, it's not me singing.
It's the only part with Rebecca not in it.
Yeah, and I'm like, yeah. So now they're like, oh, it makes sense.
Oh, this part was like stuck in my head the whole time.
Yeah,
we were recording.
her part's really
That's
catchy.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
so catchy.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I have to do more of these so they can be in more.
Yeah, you're clever.
Wait, they paused it for my like butt,
Wow.
Yes.
Ah, we made it.
They made it. I love it.
Wow, that was
They're so okay. They're literally the cutest couple ever, and they're so sweet. If you have not yet, make sure to go subscribe to them. We will put a card right up there right now. Go show them some love. Comment on this video. We'll also put their info in the description. Chris and Char, thank you guys for reacting to my video and for being in it. We've been waiting to do this, and I just thought it was so cool that they reacted to it and they were in it.
That video was so much fun to shoot.
It was. Like, I had to learn the choreography the morning of, so it was a little stressful for me, and I had to make make all the slime for everyone, and it had to be like not too sticky. We were stretching and working out, so I had to actually do like a fluffy butter slime. No one in the video but me had ever played or used slime before.
And this is like my second time ever directing a music video.
Yeah.
Too, so.
Okay, you guys, every time that he says D-I-N-N-E-R, watch Blackjack.
See if you can notice what happens. Blackjack, do you want some dinner? You need some dinner?
He licks his lips every time you say the word
There it goes.
dinner. All right.
And that's the end of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tomorrow we're heading down to a gymnastics meet, so make sure to stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a ton of fun. We're gonna be, LeBlanc. This is actually where we met the Bertaley family last year. It's our 1-year friend anniversary with them,
Yeah,
so we'll see them tomorrow.
And I think we're gonna be near Disney, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
10 years down the road, I still be sitting on the floor.